Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing a different kind of video with you guys today. A lot of you have been requesting a while that I do a get ready with me video, so here I am with no makeup. So all I did today was jumped in the shower, brushed my hair, and let it air dry. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I usually use on a daily basis. It's just like a neutral look. So let's just dive right in and get started. My go-to foundation, which is very inexpensive, is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Looks like this. You can find this on Amazon. I think you can find it at Target, maybe Walmart, but I usually order mine on Amazon. I'm using the Classic Ivory shade 101, and I do believe I mixed this with a little bit of shade 102, which is just a little bit darker for summer, and my bottle was getting empty. That's why I kind of mixed it and combined it. So I'm very basic. I don't have like hundreds of brushes and specific sponges and stuff. I just pretty much use my hand when I apply my makeup. So yeah, to each their own. I'm not judging any of you that do use makeup brushes. I just find it works better with my hand. So I'm just squirting, I just squirt some of this on my hand. I already applied my moisturizer for the day. Sorry, I didn't mention that, but that's it. If I'm looking over here, I'm just looking in the mirror. I'm not used to doing this in front of you guys. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting it on like moisturizer pretty much. Covering everything that I can. Hopefully you guys aren't going to roast me in the comments. I know there's got to be people out there that just use their hand to put their makeup on. I just find brushes have a lot of fallout, and lots of product just gets all over my face when I do that, like especially my eyeshadow. So that's pretty much all I do. I look in the mirror and make sure that I didn't miss any spots. I did receive an Ipsy package, and I'm waiting on another one, so I'm going to be doing an opening with you guys. If you guys are familiar with that, get excited. It's just a bunch of random surprise makeup items. It's kind of a makeup subscription, so I'm excited to show you guys that. It's my first box, so I'm super excited. All right, next I'm going to use, actually maybe I should put my hair back a little bit so you guys can see this better. Or it's kind of easier for me to. I usually do put my hair up on my face. But yeah, I forgot to tell you what I'm using. This is my very favorite eyeliner. I've tried many. This is the Kat Von D ink eyeliner. I hope you guys can see that. I got this at Sephora. It's waterproof. I kind of bought this for my trip to Cancun early this year, and it worked awesome. I didn't have any like raccoon eyes. Maybe at the end of the night there was a little bit coming down like usual, but what do you expect? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this how I usually do. Oh my gosh, I hope this doesn't look weird. Okay. I just draw it on my lower waterline, and I like to come out just a little bit. I'm excited to try on my new Ipsy surprise makeup. It's kind of a treat. I got it as part of my birthday gift for my husband. I love makeup. I just don't like spending a ton of money on my makeup because it's really expensive. I keep buying this and that. Like, I like good makeup, so when I find something I like, I stick with it and it lasts me a long time. Like this was kind of a splurge. I think this was like $20, but I know there's a lot of eyeliner people that buy eyeliner for like way more than that. And honestly, during this time, I haven't really been putting makeup on because I haven't been going out. So it's kind of a fun video for me to do today. Okay, that looks pretty good. Sometimes I do my eyeliner on my top lid and do kind of a cat. But being I'm not really doing anything special today, it's going to be really hard for me to do that in the mirror, honestly. And I'll probably be doing more of these videos if you guys like these. So request that if you like it. Next, I'm going to put on this MAC eyeshadow. I don't even remember like where I got this. I think I might have ordered it on the website years and years ago. That shows like I barely ever order any makeup because it lasts forever. And I'm not a person to like pile on loads of makeup every day. So maybe that's why it lasts. So I did find this brush to apply my eyeshadow. Sometimes I honestly just use my finger like I said, but I'm going to try the brush out today for you guys to see if this brush is a good one. I'm going to show you guys what I mean about me not liking using brushes. I mean, this is not too bad. I'll do the brush on that side and show you guys what I usually do. I don't like how much fallout I'm getting already. And it's like coming down the side of my face. So usually it's a really nice gold shade. Amber Lights is the shade I'm using from MAC. If you guys ever tried that, I love this shade. Yeah, I honestly like putting it better on this way. And like I said before, I'm very basic, so a lot of like makeup artists are probably cringing at what I'm doing right now, but it is what it is. Okay, that's done. Then I usually put my mascara on. And again, I've tried a decent amount of mascaras and I found the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. You can find this at Sephora. This again is about 20 bucks, I think. It'll last at least a half a year for me, so not bad. And I know I don't need to justify anything, but I know there's a lot of people like, wow, you spend too much money on your makeup. But yeah, so I'm just going to apply this quick. I like this one because it's so bold and black. Sorry if this is cringy, but dip it again. I just kind of keep going over it just a little bit. Doesn't take much. And some exciting news, I have a huge Lush package on its way. I know a lot of you guys have been sticking around. Sometimes I do occasional Lush demos for bath bombs, so there's a lot more bath bombs that I bought because I haven't tried any in a long time. And a few of you have been requesting that they missed those videos, so I'm going to do a bunch of those for you guys. Also, I'm working on some bath bombs for my own Silky Seduction shop. I'm just trying to get my recipe like 100% that I absolutely love it, because some of my bath bombs that I previously made, the oil has been like clinging to the side of the tub. So I'm trying to get that issue fixed, and I want to make super colorful bath bombs for you guys. All right, that's done. Then I'm just going to use this Fit Me powder by Maybelline New York. This is Classic Ivory in the shade 120. Looks like this. I think I got this on Amazon or at Walmart. I don't remember, but I think they both sell this. Comes with a sponge. So I just pat that all over my face with the sponge. I hope all of you guys are doing well. I've been staying inside as much as possible. Haven't really been doing much. Been doing a lot of painting around the house, just fixing stuff up, trying to keep my mind off of things. I think that's pretty much good. Then I got this as a gift. I'm trying to think. I think my brother-in-law's girlfriend gave me this for Christmas, if I remember right. Yeah, I think she did. So this Hoola by Benefit powder comes in this cute little like box and comes with this little brush. How cute is that? This is kind of a bronzer, but I like to use a little bit on my cheekbones like this. And again, I'm not professional. Just trying to get a little bit of a color in my skin. And then I usually put a little bit around my hairline up here for a nice little glow. Ah, my gosh, my hair is like flying all over. Okay. Hope you guys are still bearing with me here. Okay. Now, the last thing I like to do, I still have my lip gloss to put on after this, but this is Gimme Brows by Benefit. And I got this as a gift. It's just a little kind of sample bottle. I like to take this and go over my brows with it. It kind of has a little bit of color in it. It's just nice to put something on like right away. Can you guys see a difference? Like this one's a little bit darker because I think some of my powder gets in my eyebrow. And my eyebrows aren't super dark, so it just kind of brings them out just a little bit more. Oh my gosh. You can find that at Sephora. And this is also a gift. This is the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. I guess Benefit's one of my favorite brands. Now that I'm, have everything laid out looking at what I have. This to me reminds me of like a clear glue. I just like to put that over my eyebrow. That way you don't have like random eyebrows that are like sticking up. It really holds them down and locks in that color, that brow color that I just put on. Okay, I know that's not perfect, but just showing you guys kind of my everyday look. I usually will put this stuff on if I'm going out to the grocery store, or I guess this is my everyday look when I went to work sometimes, aside from my eyeliner. But yeah, here is the lip gloss that I like to put on. I'm not picky with my lip gloss. I use pretty much anything, but this is just what I had laying around. This is the Avon Extra Lasting lip gloss. It doesn't have a shade on it, but it looks like this. I like it because it's not too bright. It just gives your lips a little bit of a color and sparkle. All right. I think that's it. I think I pretty much said most everything that I wanted. Thank you guys for all your soap orders recently. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are all staying well and healthy. Comment down below, or give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below if you want to see more of these kinds. Maybe I'll do a story time. I have some good scary stories I could tell for story time if you guys are into that. If you want me to do more of about me video, comment that. I just need some more ideas. Kind of give me some more inspiration to keep going with these videos. I know I'll post maybe sometimes only 3 videos a month, or kind of big gaps in between. So I want to be more consistent with you guys. I want to know what you guys want to see. So with that said, I hope you guys are having an awesome day wherever in the world. Please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, I forgot to give you guys like a close-up. I don't know if you guys could have saw my makeup from that far away, but here's what it looks like. Hope you guys can see me okay. But yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.